My name is Hans Johnson from Start Innovation Hub. Yeah, thank you for having me. So, how generative AI can help businesses? I don't think there is any industry or discipline or area of expertise of anyone's business that AI has not influenced, be it retail, finance, manufacturing, HR, anything you can think of. These days, you can create content just by leveraging AI, and you do that in a smarter way, and you save a whole lot of time, costs, and even the number of people you use. For you to be able to take advantage of this, you need to build capacity and follow the trend, understand where this thing is going to, the kind of things they're using it for, and most especially, whatever you are doing, do it in a more responsible way. So for you to be a successful company, your company has to be not just a tech company, but an AI company.
Google recently released a new AI model called Gemini, and there's so many wonderful things that you can do with Gemini. Hi, everybody. My name is Honorable Mondia David. I am a Golang developer and a GDG organizer. So basically, the purpose of this event was to bring together developers and creatives to show them what they can achieve with Gemini.
We had sessions for everyone. We had general sessions and explored the capabilities of AI and prompting. And we also learned how you can utilize AI for your businesses.
Because of the advancement in technology, and I will show you that shortly, right? You see that Gemini is like the next step in making AI available for what? For everyone.
Our breakout sessions were across various stacks such as Flutter and Dart, Android, native for Kotlin and Java, and also Python and web developers. We explored how you can utilize AI for your businesses and learned about prompting.
Understanding or idea on the future of generative AI. My name is Tim. I'm a mobile software engineer. So for me, from what I've seen and what I've experimented with generative AI, I think we have a very huge future for generative AI, which will give us a whole lot of opportunities and wide gap when it comes to generating text or how we can send prompts to the SDK and even how we can interact with it.